In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up in Tableau, and we'll get it done in just about 5 minutes. This is a handy skill to have when you want to enhance user engagement or provide additional information without cluttering your dashboard. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Tableau public app. Make sure everything is up to date so you can leverage the latest features and tools. Once you have it open, the next step is to access your worksheet. You'll find this in the navigation pane. Just click on the one where you've been working or the one you plan to embellish with a pop-up today. After you're in your worksheet, you'll need to select the specific dashboard where you want to add the pop-up. This step is crucial because pop-ups are linked to dashboards, so you want to ensure you're working on the right one. With the correct dashboard selected, let's move on to the fun part, adding our text object. Look to the Objects area and find the text object. Drag that onto your dashboard sheet. You can place it wherever you think it will be most useful, but don't worry too much about the exact positioning right now, as we'll get to adjusting it in just a bit. Now comes the part where you let your creativity flow. Add the text you want in the pop-up and personalize it. Whether it's a simple note, detailed instructions, or an eye-catching announcement, make sure it stands out. Font, size, and color adjustments can all be made here to suit the style of your dashboard. Once your text is set, click on the drop-down arrow of the text object and be sure to make it floating. This will allow it to hover freely over your dashboard elements, giving you flexibility in design and ensuring it doesn't interfere with other components. After setting it to float, you can position it wherever you desire on your dashboard. You might choose to have it discreetly in a corner or bold in center stage depending on its purpose. You could even make it expand across the sheet for maximum visibility. Next, head over to the Layout tab to further customize your pop-up. Here you can add a background color which might help your message stand out more prominently. Additionally, adjusting the opacity can help the pop-up blend seamlessly with your dashboard theme or make it more eye-catching. Finally, let's make our pop-up interactive. To do this, click on the drop-down arrow once more and select the Add Show / Hide button. This button gives users the power to toggle the pop-up on and off, enhancing the functionality of your dashboard. Don't forget to give this button a bit of customization too. Adjust its size, shape, or even color to align it with your design aesthetic. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully added a pop-up to your Tableau dashboard, ready to provide users with dynamic and interactive content.